Yo, what's up everybody, it's Ron's Bonds and we're diving deep into the world of AI, not just talking about the concepts, but how you can actually use this tech to level up your life. Right now, we've all heard AI is the future, but honestly, it's already here. From writing emails to designing logos, AI tools are becoming more powerful and accessible every single day. So the real question is, are you taking advantage of everything AI has to offer? In this video, I'm breaking down everything you need to know about AI, from the best tools to real-world examples, and even how to avoid common pitfalls. Stick around, because this is your ultimate guide to mastering AI. AI, it's a term that gets thrown around a lot, often sounding like something out of a sci-fi movie. But the truth is, AI is no longer some futuristic fantasy. It's here, it's real, and it's changing the game in a big way. And I'm not just talking about self-driving cars or robots, although that stuff is definitely cool. I'm talking about AI tools that you and I can use every single day to be more productive, more creative, and just get things done better and faster. Imagine writing an email in seconds, creating stunning artwork with just a few clicks, or even having your entire day planned out by an AI assistant. That's the power of AI today, and it's only getting more impressive. But here's the catch. Just like any powerful tool, you need to know how to use it properly to unlock its full potential. That's what this video is all about. We're going to demystify AI, break down the jargon, and show you exactly how to integrate it into your life. Whether you're a student, a freelancer, a business owner, or just someone who wants to stay ahead of the curve, this video is for you. So, buckle up, because we're about to embark on a journey into the exciting world of AI. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand AI, but you'll be equipped to use it to achieve your goals. Let's get started. Okay, let's talk about what AI can actually for you, and trust me, this is where things start to get really interesting. Imagine having an AI assistant that helps you write better content, faster. Need to draft a blog post, an email, or even a script for a YouTube video? AI writing tools can help you generate ideas, write different sections, and even improve your overall writing style. But it doesn't stop there. AI can also be your personal design guru. Need a logo for your brand, a thumbnail for your latest video, or even just some cool artwork for your social media. AI design tools can make it happen, even if you have zero design skills. And if you're drowning in data, AI can be your lifesaver. From analyzing spreadsheets to identifying trends, AI can help you make sense of complex information and extract valuable insights. But here's the thing I love most about AI. It's not just about replacing tasks, it's about enhancing your capabilities. Think of it as having a superpower that amplifies your creativity and productivity. For example, let's say you're a student working on a research paper. You can use AI to summarize lengthy articles, find relevant sources, and even generate citations. Or maybe you're a small business owner who's always on the go. You can use AI to schedule appointments, manage your inbox, and even interact with customers on social media. The possibilities are pretty much endless. And the best part is you don't need to be a tech whiz to start using these tools. Most of them are incredibly user-friendly and intuitive. Now I know you're probably thinking, okay, this all sounds amazing, but what are these AI tools you keep talking about? Well, get ready to have your mind blown because I'm about to introduce you to some game changers. First up, we have ChatGPT and Claude. These are AI-powered chatbots that can write different kinds of creative text formats like poems, code, scripts, musical pieces, email, letters, etc., and answer your questions in an informative way. Seriously, these things are like having a conversation with a super intelligent, always available writing partner. Next, we have Midjourney and DALL-E 2. These are AI image generators that can create realistic images and art from a description in natural language. You literally type in what you want to see and boom, these tools bring your vision to life. For all you planners and organizers out there, Notion AI is a must-have. It's like having a personal assistant that helps you brainstorm ideas, write notes, create to-do lists, and manage projects. And if you're in the content creation game, you need to check out Copy.ai and Jasper. These AI-powered writing assistants can help you generate high-quality marketing copy, social media posts, and even long-form content. And for all my coding wizards out there, Replit and GitHub Copilot are about to become your new best friends. These AI-powered coding assistants can help you write code faster, debug errors, and even learn new programming languages. These are just a few examples of the many incredible AI tools available today. And the best part is, many of them offer free trials or free plans, so you can try them out before committing. Alright, let's get real for a second. I know all this talk about AI tools can sound a bit abstract, so let's look at some real-world examples of how people are using AI to level up their game. Imagine you're a YouTuber who's constantly creating new content. That means writing scripts, editing videos, designing thumbnails, and managing social media. That's a lot of work, right? Well, with AI, you can automate and streamline many of these tasks. You can use AI to help you write your scripts, create engaging captions for your videos, and even generate eye-catching thumbnails that attract more viewers. Or maybe you're a freelancer who's juggling multiple clients and projects. AI can help you stay organized, manage your time effectively, and even automate repetitive tasks like invoicing and scheduling. And if you're a student, AI can be your secret weapon for academic success. You can use AI to help you research papers, write essays, and even prepare for presentations. The point is, no matter what you do or what your goals are, there's an AI tool out there that can help you achieve them. And the best way to find the right tools for you is to experiment and see what works best for your workflow. Now, you might be wondering, okay, but how do I actually integrate AI into my daily life? Well, it's all about building simple yet powerful AI habits. Start by identifying tasks that are time-consuming or repetitive. Can any of these tasks be automated or streamlined using AI? For example, if you spend hours every week writing emails, try using an AI writing assistant to help you draft them faster. Next, think about how AI can enhance your existing skills and workflows. For example, if you're a designer, try using an AI image generator to explore new creative ideas or generate variations of your designs. Another powerful strategy is to use AI to stay organized and manage your time more effectively. Try using an AI-powered calendar app to schedule appointments, set reminders, and keep track of your to-do list. And don't forget about the power of voice assistants like Siri, Alexa, and Google Assistant. These AI-powered assistants can help you set alarms, make calls, send texts, and even control your smart home devices, all with just your voice. The key is to start small and gradually incorporate AI into your daily routine. As you become more comfortable using these tools, you'll be amazed at how much time and energy you save, and how much more productive and creative you become. Now, before you run off and start using AI for everything, there are a few important things to keep in mind. First and foremost, remember that AI is a tool, not a replacement for human intelligence and creativity. While AI can automate tasks and generate impressive results, it's crucial to use your own judgment and critical thinking skills to ensure the output is accurate, relevant, and aligned with your goals. Don't blindly trust AI answers without verifying the information or considering potential biases. AI models are trained on massive datasets, and while these datasets are vast, they can still contain biases that can influence the output. Always double-check the information generated by AI tools, especially when it comes to important decisions or sensitive topics. Remember, you are ultimately responsible for the output, so use AI as a guide, not a dictator. And lastly, don't let AI stifle your own creativity. Use these tools as a springboard for new ideas, but don't be afraid to experiment, think outside the box, and bring your own unique perspective to the table. So there you have it. We've covered a lot of ground today, from understanding what AI is and how it works to exploring the best AI tools and real-world use cases. But most importantly, we've talked about how you can start using AI to unlock your full potential. Whether you're a student, a business owner, a freelancer, or just someone who wants to stay ahead of the curve, AI has something to offer you. And the best time to start exploring this exciting world is now. Don't be intimidated by the technology or feel like you need to become a tech expert overnight. Start small, experiment with different tools, and find what works best for you. Remember, AI is a powerful tool, but it's up to you to wield that power effectively. Use it wisely, use it ethically, and most importantly, use it to create something amazing. Now go out there and make some magic happen with AI. So that's it, guys, your crash course on AI and how to actually use it. We've talked about some really powerful tools today, and the crazy thing is, this is just the beginning. AI is constantly evolving, so who knows what amazing tools will be at our fingertips in the near future. But for now, I want to challenge you to try out at least one of the tools we discussed today. Whether it's ChatGPT for writing, Midjourney for design, or Notion AI for planning, just dive in and start experimenting. You might be surprised at how much you can achieve with a little help from AI. As always, thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Ron's Bonds TV for more awesome content every week. Peace!